Hey everybody, so this is the review of MIUI 12.5.4 European ROM on the POCO X3 Pro. So without wasting a lot of time of yours, let's directly see how this ROM performs in the real world. So first let's talk about how this ROM performs in day-to-day world. So frankly speaking guys, if you set this ROM to 120 Hz, then the ROM performs so well. The animations are so smooth, and trust me, the animation looks very cool compared to the global MIUI any version if you consider. Also it has the new new recent panel which you can also change with the vertical or horizontal style. Everything works so smooth with this ROM. I'll come to the smoothness a little later as well, because there is a catch in that. Okay, so this is the lock screen, and whenever we unlock, there is a super cool animation with the live wallpaper, and I believe this performs really nice, and there is the transitions and the animations are so smooth. Also now let's head over to the settings, and here we can see the home screen settings are there, and here you can double tap to lock screen. You can enable that option. Apart from that, there are several other options as well, you can change the home screen layout, you can change the icons. Let's get to the icons menu. Okay, let's get to the icons, and here we can see the icon size. We can change the icon size. Also we can change the icon style by going to the style. There are 4 options. We can change we can choose any one of them. Here we also have an option to change how the recent panels should look. You have the option to choose the vertical layout. Also you have the option for the horizontal layout, as you can see on your screen. I personally love the horizontal reset panel, so I will choose that. Okay, so now let's go to the settings panel, and here in the settings you can see that how it looks. First of all, let's go to the wallpaper and personalization. So this is how it looks. On the front you have the wallpaper, which you can see the home screen and the lock screen here, and on the top you have on the top right you have the clock screen, which you can change how it should look. Then also we have the icons, which I've just showed you, and then we have the fonts. So you can tweak those settings as per your understanding and as per your need. And then we have the wallpapers, ringtones and other stuff as well. And then we have the lock screen tab. Here you can change all those settings. There are a lot of options that you can tweak around, and personally I found them a lot useful. As you can see, we have 3 options to choose in charging animation as well. We also have the new power menu for power off and the restart. That looks great. Also we have other stuff, other MIUI stuff like password and security, battery, and for the battery front, the battery works really good in this ROM. I would say it performs really nice. You also have the new dashboard for your screen on time, and the new digital well-being, I would say, with the new focus mode as well, and that works really good. Also you have other special features with this ROM. So let's take the game turbo. These are the game turbo settings, and there are a lot of options in the game turbo settings you can tweak around. There is for performance optimization and performance mode, and other things to tweak, like the touch sensitivity and other stuff as well. Okay, so you also get the new screen recorder application with this MIUI EU. Let me just show you. If we swipe from right or left, we get this tab, and then if we click on the screen recorder, our screen recording will get turned on. Now let's go to the settings, and here you can see all the settings you can do with your screen recorder. You have the fixed frame rate option and the bitrate option, but let me tell you, you still cannot record system sounds with your microphone. and there is an option for frame rate and other stuffs. So this is all about the screen recording. And for the gaming performance, I would say the gaming performance has not been great with this custom ROM. I would say the MIUI 12.5.3 global was performing a little better. I won't say little better, I should say a lot better than this custom ROM. I've tried multiple hours of gaming, and I do not had a good experience with the gaming. I've seen times when the frames dropped to 45 and below 50, which was not the case with the previous version of global MIUI 12.5.3 which I was using. So with that note, I would recommend you guys not to install this custom ROM for gaming. Now let's move towards the second con of this ROM. So what I've noticed is whenever we put our device to 60 Hz in this ROM, the ROM does not feel a lot smooth. As you can see, I've changed the live wallpaper as well to reduce the power consumption. Still, I'm able to see some jitters and lags in the UI. Not the UI to be precise, but whenever we scroll from one home screen to another, that is the case there. Okay, so also you have the floating window in the recents panel, and except these two cons, that is the gaming and the performance, the UI smoothness in 60 Hz, the ROM performs really great. So for the conclusion part, this ROM is actually made for those people who will put their device to 120 Hz and want to experience the best of animations of MIUI and the best of customization of MIUI. Okay, so that's pretty much it about my review of this ROM, guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up to the video. And if you want me to make a tutorial on how to flash this ROM onto your POCO X3 Pro, do let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll be posting the video for that as per the comments. So I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.